In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your country and shipping region on eBay. Managing your account settings to reflect a move or simply a new preferred shipping address is crucial for seamless online shopping. Let's walk through the process together, step by step. First things first, open your preferred web browser. Once you're there, head over to the search bar and type in eBay. When the search results come up, click on the first link, which should take you directly to eBay's homepage. This is a great starting point because you need to be on their site to change your account settings. Now, once you've landed on eBay's homepage, you'll notice a sign in option at the upper left corner of the screen. Please click on that. If you're already signed in, you can skip this part, but if not, go ahead and enter your login credentials to access your account. Ensuring that you're signed in is important because you'll need to access your personal settings. After you've logged in, look towards the upper right part of the screen where it says My eBay. There should be a small arrow next to it. Click on that arrow, and then from the drop-down menu, select the summary option. This will take you to a comprehensive view of your eBay account dashboard. It's always useful to familiarize yourself with this area, as it offers insights into your account activities. Next, from the summary page, look for the Account tab and give it a click. Under the Account section, you'll find various settings that you can modify, but today we're focusing on shipping details. Within the Account section, find and click on Addresses. This is where all address-related settings are housed, including your shipping address, which we aim to update. On the Addresses page, you want to find the Shipping Address option. Once you've located it, click on the Edit link next to it. This is crucial because it allows you to make changes to your current address settings. As you navigate to the Edit page, look for the field marked country. You'll find a list or drop-down menu that you can choose from. Here is where you can select your desired country. Make sure to carefully select the right country from the list. Once you've updated the country field to your preferred option, scroll down to the bottom of the page and find the Save button. Clicking Save is a vital step as it ensures that all the changes you've made are correctly stored in your account settings. That's it. You've successfully changed your country and shipping region on eBay. This is particularly handy when you've moved to a different location or wish to ship items to a new address. Always double-check after you make such changes to avoid any potential mishaps with future shipments. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.